Hey guys, and welcome back to another Performance Alloys video. We've got another truck in the workshop today, a local customer's 2017 NP300 Navara. We're going to hit this truck with some really cool upgrades courtesy of ourselves. It's going to be awesome. We know that our customer is going to love it, so let's get down to it. First step then that we took was to install the headlight and the tail lights around. So it was really easy to get on. We actually have a separate video where I'll show you how to do that. You can check that out in the description below. Once that's done then, the next stage will be to get these manky, scuffed up old OEM side steps off and replace them with our high quality steel shark side step upgrade. It's really easy to get off, which means that it's also really easy to get the new ones on. Literally all you need is a small ratchet and a 13mm socket. There's a couple of little studs up here in the back. All you have to do is take a couple of nuts off each of those. Then the whole assembly will come out. We then have to just assemble the shark side steps and bolt them back up in. So whenever you get your shark style side steps, you'll have obviously the side step itself. We've also got mounting brackets which go onto the truck. The steps then go onto this naturally, as well as just mounting hardware stuff like washers, nuts, that sort of thing. Again, I know a lot of people can sometimes be a bit funny about doing stuff to their trucks, and that's understandable. However, I cannot stress again just how easy this is. If you can put together a piece of IKEA furniture, you can do this. Literally all you need is your 13mm socket and ratchet again. So let's get down to it.